What to expect this spring Eskate?
As the snow slowly fades, a new chapter begins. Welcome to the season of renewal and growth. Welcome to spring. Goodbye winter chill, hello spring thrill. Time to hit the roads and feel alive on my electric skateboard. Springtime vibes call for smooth rides and sunny skies. Navigating the urban jungle on my skateboard. It's all about flow and finesse. Skate safe, skate smart. Watch out for puddles and debris. Spring surprises are everywhere. Stay alert. The temperature in spring is changeable. Pay attention to adjust the speed and battery temperature of your electric skateboard in a timely manner to avoid overheating or overcooling. It is rainy in spring and the road surface is slippery. Be careful to avoid sliding on wet roads to avoid slipping or losing control. Plants grow rapidly in spring, so be careful to avoid obstacles and weeds on the sliding path to avoid wheel jams or injuries. Spring is a breeding season for some small mammals, and they may be active on roads or grasslands. Pay attention to maintaining a moderate speed to avoid harming them. Venturing off-road in spring's embrace, nature becomes our playground. Feel the earth beneath you, unleash your spirit. As the days grow longer and the air warmer, it's the perfect time to hone your skills and prepare for the thrills of summer trails. Spring is the season of transformation and growth. Embrace the change, seize the moment, and let your electric skateboard be your guide to new horizons. See you next time.